Next up we have a Dewalt drill. This is the DCD796 Type 10. It's only a 2019 machine. And she works. Trigger's not right. She's not going through the speeds correctly. And there's another problem. She's only spinning one way. No reverse. See if we can do anything with that. Same motor setup as the wee impact driver, same switch, same motor, just a different end on it. So the problem we're after is on the switch. Same as always, just give it a wee clean out here first, so extra dirt doesn't get onto the switch. Exact same procedure. This is why it's not going to forward and reverse. But why? Here's why. Broken in half. So we're not going to weld that together. And I don't think Dewalt's going to supply it. So what do we do? Only thing we can do, let's see if we've got a spare. Sometimes pays to keep the odd bit of rubbish laying around. There's another motor unit from a scrap drill. Doesn't work at all. Actual controller's gone on this one. We'll take the part out of this and fix the other one. I don't think there's much more we can get out of this. Maybe a trigger one. Yeah, we'll hold on to it just in case. Just give that a wee clean. Then we seals all the way back here. Slide that on. Push in your spring. Make sure we're lifting the right one. Yep. And that should get this man running again. And a lot cheaper than buying a new drill. Not that this is an expensive drill or anything, but I still would rather save the money. I actually quite like these Dewalt drills, to be honest. They're nice and cheap. They're actually a decent motor, a decent wee gearbox and all on them. The downside of them is the hammer action. Don't ever use the hammer action on them. But for the money, not a damn thing wrong with them. Not the heaviest duty in the world. For general use, for a good wee unit. Plus, they're not hard to fix. I'll also just give that a wee clean. Now the gearbox, click it on, sits flush. On your clutch selector ring there's just a wee dimple. It lines up for each screw to make it easier to install. That's her. On Dewalt cordless drill DCD796. The nice smooth trigger and forward and reverse. Nice one. That sorts it. All it needed was a tiny little leaf spring for the selector. Sadly, you'll only be fixing that if you have a scrap one, because Dewalt don't sell that part. If it happens to you and you're looking to buy it, you're going to have to buy the entire motor, actual switch with the controller, whole field motor assembly, battery contacts, basically half the machine. But then again, you wouldn't expect any brand to sell that tiny wee piece. Anyway lads, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hopefully it helps somebody. Give us a like and a follow and a wee comment down below if you have any questions. Cheers.